The Kamov Ka-52 Alligator is a Russian attack helicopter designed for reconnaissance and combat missions. It's a two-seat version of the Ka-50 Hokum, featuring a coaxial rotor system and advanced avionics. Unlike traditional helicopters that have a single main rotor and tail rotor, the Ka-52 features coaxial rotors, which are two counter-rotating main rotors mounted one above the other. This design provides excellent maneuverability and eliminates the need for a tail rotor. The Alligator is equipped with a wide range of weaponry, including a 30mm cannon mounted under the nose for close air support, anti-tank guided missiles, such as the Vika and Ataka, unguided rockets, and air-to-air missiles for self-defense. 30mm 2A42 cannon, a dual-feed autocannon mounted on the right side of the fuselage, carrying 460 rounds, Vika or Ataka anti-tank guided missiles, up to 12 missiles that can be fitted to the outboard hardpoints, Igler air-to-air guided missiles, up to 4 missiles that can be fitted to each wingtip, 8 80mm unguided rockets, up to 80 rockets. It's designed for a variety of missions, including reconnaissance, close air support, anti-tank warfare, and escort roles. Its agility and firepower make it well suited for operations in complex and contested environments. The Ka-52 has a two-seat tandem cockpit layout, with the pilot in the rear seat and the weapons operator or co-pilot in the front seat. This configuration allows for effective communication and workload sharing between the crew members.